So welcome back guys, my name is Amran and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how you can cast your smartphone onto your TV. Now obviously you will need a casting device. So I am basically using Google Chromecast. So I just got this thing from Amazon and what it comes is with this caster. So if you see, this will have a certain port. This you are supposed to put into your TV HDMI, and you should be very careful of knowing which HDMI port you put into, because when you are asked for the TV source you should be able to point out if it's HDMI 1 or 2. If there is just one HDMI slot, then there is no issue. And obviously you also get, for powering this Chromecast, this USB cord. And actually the present Chromecast, what they do is, since they are made aware that all TVs don't have USB ports, so they give you this socket as well. But in case your TV has a USB socket, you can also directly kind of unplug this USB port, and then what you can do is, for this Chromecast, just so that it can get its power, so I will just show it and do it to you. Sorry. So there you go. So this is how the thing would look. Now we'll be looking at the back side of the TV so that we can do the connection, and then I will resume the tutorial. Now this is the back side of the TV. Unfortunately, we don't have the HDMI out here. We have the HDMI at the bottom. So like this casting device needs to go into the HDMI slot here. So I will actually be doing this in a few moments. And the USB slot is at the right hand side. So I can just directly plug in to the USB. So there you go. And this has to go inside this. So I will just pause it, and while I do this, I'll just take a pause. Okay, I'm thinking that I will just show it to you how it's done. So here it's written HDMI 1, HDMI 2. So I'm putting it in HDMI 1 slot. So there you go. I'll just show you a close-up of this. So this has gone into the HDMI 1 slot, and the other side we have the USB portion. Maybe I can just take it to the right side and show it to you. So this is how you would be putting the slots, and you can see on backside of my panel it clearly shows like which HDMI I put it into. Okay, now we'll be resuming it from the front side. Okay, now I will power on the TV. So I take the TV remote, click on the power button. You can see that the TV is starting to switch on, and you will see on the remote there is something called as the source. I should click on the source, and if you can see on the screen on that side, you will see like it's on switched on to HDMI 1. So that's like, if I click on HDMI 1 and click OK, you can see that it set me up Chromecast. If I go back to source and go to HDMI 2 and I do the same thing, you will see that nothing turns up, because our casting device has been put up on HDMI port 1. Okay, so let me go again to source. Let me go to HDMI 1 and do OK. And you can see we have like setup instructions for chromecast.com setup. I mean, it's prompting us to go to chromecast.com /setup. Okay, so the next few steps will be from the mobile. So I will just what I will do is I will just kind of take it. So what we have been told to do is go to chromecast.com setup. Okay. Okay. It's asking us to download the Google Home app. Just pause it while it happens. We have finished downloading this. Let's open it up. Okay. Give all app permissions, turn on location, everything. So it's telling me that one of the Chromecast has been found and its temporary name is Chromecast 0092. Continue. So it's telling me connected to Chromecast 0092. And while this happens, you can see on the screen, I get this message that it's been connected to Chromecast 0092. And you can see on the screen, I also get this code V5L9. Okay. And it's telling me, are you able to see this on your screen? Which we clearly can. So I say yes. Name your Chromecast. So okay, I will give my name as Amlan Study Room. Okay, continue. Okay, it's saying that my Wi-Fi network is not good, but okay, got it. Yeah, it's asking me whether I can get Wi-Fi from this mobile device. Okay. Suppose to put in like the Wi-Fi password, and both the TV and the mobile should be connected to the same Wi-Fi networks. So you can see it's trying to connect.
Now that you set up your Chromecast, let's get going. First, grab your iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or tablet. A laptop works too.
Well, it's saying that be right back. The system needs to reboot to apply an update. We'll pause it until this happens. Well, I'm presuming that you will see the same things on your system as well. So you can see that it's connected to my cast ID, and it has pin 1235. If I can just take it that side, and it tells me that you can watch on the big screen anything. You just have to tap the cast button from any cast enabled app. Now YouTube has this casting possible, many other things have, so we'll show that. And just so that I don't forget, I mean, you have this continue button out here, like the last few steps, and sign in for better Chromecast experience. Continue. Skip. Okay, now I'll just pause and now this is my YouTube app, and we already know that we are connected and everything. So I will just do one thing. I will just open this. This is my own video.
How do you bring lights to billions of people? Prevent millions of tons of air pollution?
And this is my own video. And you will see that there is this cast. Like I'll just zoom in. Like if I click on this, there's this cast thing. And if I click on that cast thing, now it's directly gone onto my.
Can have their own YouTube channel, and you should realize that YouTube is nothing but a Google product. So what you need to do is first create a Google account. So like if you don't have, like for example, say a Google account, go ahead and create one. So like using the same Google account, you can log into any of Google's products, that is Gmail, YouTube, anything else. But once you log into YouTube, say you log into YouTube, now this is the YouTube homepage. Now where should you go? Now say like I have a Google account.
So I can pause it from here, I can play it from here,
Allah, that's it.
I can go ahead, fast forward.
This is uploads only. I can create
This is
more. The way I
fabulous.
create a fresh.
So I can just pause it and I can do anything. So this is how you would be casting your smartphone on your TV using this cast button out here. It's basically called like the casting interface or something. And that's how now whatever we are actually playing out here,
Channel
Actually,
is by simply
place
clicking
them.
on this plus button here
I
and
just
then
pause
get-
it. I can go forward. I can again play it.
Now I am logged into this channel of mine. If I go to the Creator Studio for this channel, you will see I have no videos, nothing at all, because this is a new channel totally. But if I like switch accounts and if I like go to say some other channel of mine, say I go to make knowledge video of mine. Now this channel has a lot of videos and everything.
So guys, I hope that this now helps you understand on how you can cast your smartphone onto your TV. And that's basically, again, I'll just repeat the steps. You will need a casting thing, and this was like Chromecast in my example. Next, you should be knowing on how to attach the casting thing to your TV. And like we saw, like we put it on the HDMI port. You should be able to very well detect that from the input source, I mean HDMI 1 or 2. Once that happens, it will prompt you for setting up Google Chromecast. Once that's done, your mobile and the television should be connected to the same wireless networks. Once the wireless networks are same, connection is established, whatever you play on your cell phone, like on whatever apps which support this casting interface, well, you can pretty much see it on the television as well. So that's it. I hope this proves to be invaluable for many of you who wanted to actually cast their phones on the TV. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials. Thank you.